self-study. I'm back with another video on logarithms. We will discuss the fourth question of JAN 2023 International A Level Pure Mathematics question paper. Without further ado, let's get started. Log 4x to the base 3 plus 2 equal to log 5x plus 7 to the base 3. So we should find out the value of x, solve for x. So you keep 2 here on the left hand side and bring the log terms to one side. So bring log 4x to the base 3 to the right hand side, and now this is of the form log a minus log b, and log a minus log b is log a by b. So 5x plus 7 by 4x to the base 3. Again, log b to the base a equal to c, so a raised to c equal to b. Again, we'll apply this formula over here so that you can write 3 square equal to 5x plus 7 by 4x, and 3 square is 9, so 9 into 4x is 36x, and equal to 5x plus 7. 36x minus 5x is equal to 7, or 31x is equal to 7, and therefore x is equal to 7 by 31. So this is the first part. Now we'll move on to the second part. Now let's solve the second part. Given that sigma r equal to 1 to 2 log y raised to r to the base a equal to sigma r equal to 1 to 2 log y to the base a the whole raised to r, and the condition given is y greater than 1, a greater than 1, and y not equal to a. So let's start from the given expression. Sigma r equal to 1 to 2 log y raised to r to the base a can be written as log y raised to 1 to the base a plus, it is given as sigma, and the limit is r equal to 1 to 2. So the next one is log y to the base a, and the value of r will be 2. Now take the right hand side. Sigma r equal to 1 to 2 log y to the base a the whole raised to r. Here we should give the value of r from 1 to 2. So this will become log y to the base a the whole raised to 1 plus log y to the base a the whole raised to 2. Now we can equate according to the condition given. We can equate both log y to the base a plus log y square to the base a equal to log y to the base a plus log y to the base a the whole square. Now we can cancel log y to the base a from both sides, and on either side we have log y to the base a, so we can give substitution for that. Let us take k equal to log y to the base a, so that the left hand side will become 2k. Log y square to the base a we can write as 2 log y to the base a, and this is equal to log y to the base a the whole square. Now we can substitute the value, so 2k is equal to k square. So 2k minus k square equal to 0, or you take k as a common factor. So k into 2 minus k equal to 0. So we will get k equal to 0 and k equal to 2. So now we have two values for k equal to 0 and k equal to 2. And we have taken log y to the base a equal to k. And we have k equal to 0 and k equal to 2. So log y to the base a equal to 0. So a raised to 0 will be equal to y. A raised to 0 is 1. So you get y equal to 1. And according to the given condition in the question, y should be greater than 1. A also should be greater than 1, and y not equal to a. So Since we got the value of y equal to 1, we can discard this value and let us try with k equal to 2. So log y to the base a equal to 2. So a raised to 2 equal to y. So you get the value of y equal to a square.